Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gamma AI website. First, navigate to the Gamma AI website and sign up or log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard, which is your central hub for all projects. You can choose to create a new presentation, document, or web page from here. The intuitive interface makes it simple to begin your creative process right away, saving you valuable time. To start your first project, click on the New with AI button. This will prompt you to select the type of content you wish to create, like a presentation or a document. Next, simply type in your topic or a detailed prompt, providing the AI with clear instructions. For example, you could type marketing strategy for a new coffee shop. The AI will then generate an initial outline and draft content, giving you a solid foundation to build upon. Once the AI generates your initial draft, it's time to customize it. You can easily edit any text by simply clicking on the content block and typing. The right-hand sidebar is your design hub, allowing you to change themes, fonts, and color schemes with just a few clicks. You can also add new cards, embed images, or insert videos to enrich your content. Drag and drop functionality makes rearranging sections incredibly simple and intuitive. After perfecting your project, you have several options for sharing and exporting. Click the Share button to invite team members to collaborate or to generate a public link for wider distribution. If you need a static version, you can easily export your creation as a PDF document or a PowerPoint presentation. For live audiences, you can present directly from the Gamma AI platform, offering an engaging and interactive experience. All your hard work is automatically saved in the cloud.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.